kids in a bus, aka Dave and Al. We're your dads. Subscribe.
We're Dave and Allyson, aka Two Kids in a Bus. 2 years ago, we bought a 30-foot Thomas school bus and slowly converted it into our dream tiny home on wheels. After many long hours of work, we finally hit the road, and oh, somehow we got engaged and married in the middle of building, painting, and sanding. We're currently living full-time in our Skoolie and living the life we feel we were always meant to live. We'd love to have you along for the adventure.
What's up, everybody?
So,
We are down the mountain in the town because we're gonna buy a dishwasher. Because doing the dishes is like this. We copped it.
Finna copped a dish.
Look at this. Big baller dishwasher. Power just went out. And now it's back.
Item to the back. 2-9.
It's about 10 p.m. on a Monday night.
What am I doing? I feel like this is one of those things where I'm gonna wake up in the morning and I'm gonna be like, oh, you idiot.
As you can see, the dishwasher is the size of our kitchen.
I'm stupid.
No, it will work, I believe.
Good morning, world. Last night we had an incredible experience. It's the first run of the dishwasher. It just kind of sucks to work and film, mostly because I was just super, not frustrated, but kind of frustrated at myself because I measured wrong. And so, that sucked. So, what we had to do was just take out this cabinet and widen it about 1 inch. Which so sucked. Now I just need to make a new shelf in here and patch that little hole. And yeah, but look, we ran the first load of dishes and they are clean. And it is incredible. So yeah. For a small enough space.
So this is small. She's not the most stoked cat you've ever seen at this moment.
What do you think about the meal that you've created?
I think it's beautiful and you also created it, so thank you.
All I did was air fry the biscuits.
Well, that's something.
Last week in our video we showed you a lot of the fun stuff that we get to do. But the other side of what we get to do is sometimes not as fun. We're completely off-grid here in the woods, which means we don't have any freshwater connection or sewer connection. So every week the Forest Service brings us 100 gallons of water, which is super nice of them. And then also every week I have to empty the gray water tanks. So let's go do that. First, I must put on gloves.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Hey guys, this is me being transparent and saying I don't know how else to end this video. We didn't film a ton this week. We also had some really sweet friends visiting this weekend, so we kind of just like spent time with them and didn't film at all. One thing that was cool about this week is that we saw moose, so I'll cut to that clip right here. Moose, yay! But hope you enjoyed. Hope you stick around our channel if you like it here. We're gonna keep making videos and hopefully we'll film more this week. But this week was just a big week of projects and kind of mundane things. So see you next week.
Continue watching as Allyson swipes backwards on her phone.
We want to give a shout out to our youngest viewers. Hello, Macy and Miles. If
Hi,
you're
Macy
watching
and
this,
Miles.
thank you so much for
Thanks
enjoying the video.
Thanks for enjoying.
And we'll keep on making videos just for you.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye. I'm feeling